Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp from your phone. So open your WhatsApp app, you know, click on these three dots up here as you can see on the screen. Then click on settings. When you click on settings, go to account. So when you go to account, it's going to open up to show you a lot of things. So there are two things here. Click on remove account. If you click on remove account, it's just going to remove the account from your phone. It will show you that if you remove account, it will remove only from this device. Your WhatsApp groups and channels will not be affected. You lose any messages that you have not backed up. But when you click on delete, they will ask you if you delete, they will tell you if you delete, your account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your device and you lose all chats and everything. They will say, do you want to change number instead? If not, they will ask you to confirm your phone number so that they will be sure that you really want to, delete this particular account. So when you enter down here, you choose your country if the country that is shown is not correct. So but if it's correct, just put your phone number and click on change number. So once you put the correct phone number, say this number you put is not correct, I'll put the correct number and click on delete account. So your country code, then you put the subsequent number depending on the number of digits. So when you click on delete account, they'll ask you, we hate to see you leave, but tell them why you're deleting account. You click on this drop down button to choose any option here. I'll just choose one, changing device or changing phone number. Anything, you can just choose something else, or if you don't want any of these things, but you must choose something. Then if you want, you can tell them how they can improve. Click on delete. So because I choose I want to change number, they'll ask me to change number instead. I will press delete. So proceed to delete this account. I'll click on delete. They'll tell you it's permanent. This action is a permanent action. I'll still go ahead and delete that account. They'll say your WhatsApp account has been deleted. So there are a lot of reasons people can delete their accounts, like mental health, want to protect their mental health, they want to manage their time. Social media can really take a lot of time. They want to protect their personal data. They want to minimize the risk of scam because their data is out there, and they want to save costs on data. They also don't want to buy impulse spending that is caused by social media comparison. So if this video you learned one or two things from this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up, like this video, comment, share and subscribe.